We have our 3-year advanced diplomas. So both of these programs build on the 2-year diplomas that I've mentioned already, computer programming and software engineering technician. And they are great for people. Again, they're intended for people who are coming straight out of high school or people who don't have a background in the IT field. So you can enter these programs knowing nothing about them or nothing about the field. And they just go a little bit further. So they go a little bit more in depth, get a little more specialized. You learn a little more advanced skills. So again, they're great for people who want to, have that applied learning, but want to maybe learn a little bit more on the theoretical side, learn more or over the advanced skills as well. So you want those strong foundations to enter the workforce, and you may not be as urgent to quickly enter the workforce. You have that extra time. Let's learn a little bit more, go specialize, and develop a little bit more as well. So the first one is computer programming and analysis. Builds on the computer programming program. It's a 3rd year. Again, just goes further in software development. So you get to learn more advanced technologies, build more complicated applications, and really showcase your abilities with a capstone project at the end of it. And software engineering technology, again, builds on that software engineering technician foundation, goes even further in that 3rd year. You get to specialize in different areas of business intelligence and machine learning and other more advanced areas of computer science. Again, focus on a capstone project in your last semester, really showcase your abilities and build that sort of, maybe even industry ready prototype of a product that you have in mind.